So the first technology that we have is the distributed system. Okay. That is playing an important role for cloud computing. So what is distributed system? It is a composition of multiple independent systems, but all of them are duplicated in a single entity to the user. The purpose of distributed system is to share resources and also use them effectively and efficiently. Distributed system possesses characteristics such as scalable, concurrency, continuous availability, heterogeneity, and in independence in failure. But the main problem with this system was that all the systems were required to be present at the same geographical location. Thus, to solve this problem, distributed computing led to three more type of computing, and they were mainframe, cluster computing, and grid computing. Now, there is a concept called distributed computing. So what will happen into the distributed computing? Distributed computing, what it will do is, it will take multiple independent systems, integrate all those systems together, and it will create a distributed system. The purpose of the distributed system is that from these independent system, can we take the resources, or can these independent system will share their resources, so that we have a single, so it will look like a single system. So we have multiple systems available, and these multiple systems will be interconnected with each other. And this user, when this user will interact with the system will look like one system. So user is interacting with one system, even though there are some independent systems. Now, by doing that, what are the advantages that we are getting? So this particular type of computing services are scalable, means if you want to scale up, we can add some more independent system on it, right? Concurrency will be maintained. Let's say a user has requested something to that particular distributed system. So here the resources, the request could be processed in different systems concurrently. Next is continuous available. If one system will not be available, even though that doesn't matter, because we have so many other systems which are available. So the availability is not an issue with distributed system, because if one independent system fails, there are many other independent systems which can fulfill their requirement. Next is the heterogeneity, means these systems, these independent systems may be of different configurations, different operating systems on it, different file systems on it. So heterogeneity is not a problem with distributed system. It can still make the connection with the other independent system. Next is, it is independent in failure, means if failure occur, other systems are there which can take over their work or take over their load. But there is only one problem. The problem is, whatever system you are putting together and making the distributed system should be available in a particular place, in the same geographical locations. Let's say in the same building, or in the same room, where the wired networking could be possible. Okay. A wired networking could be possible. So with that, we can have a distributed system. And the enhancement of the distributed system in the distributed system has done by the future concept of it, that is mainframe, cluster computing, and grid computing concept. So the concept of distributed system is very simple. We have independent systems, and if they are coming together and with the local area network, if they are coming together and making and look like a complete one system, then it will become a distributed system.